Racing just is started. We have match point. Moving upon the outside is Lady of Diamonds, Bees, Rosario, Cherokee Chase. Nobody but you. Then come show me the money. Is Skybird, Directors Astra is running by the rail, while Bayou Data is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn. We have match point by about 3 lengths, and in second is Maze Rosario. Show me the money is racing in third, and in fourth now is Directors Astra. Then next online now rushing up is Skybird. Then comes Lady of Diamonds, Cherokee Chase, while nobody but choose second last, and Bayou Data is still in last. Back to the leader, we have match point, enjoying a link anyhow lead. And here comes Miss Rosario together with Skybird on the outside, and come show me the money. Nobody but you comes next, Cherokee Chase, then followed by Lady of Diamonds, Directors Astra, while Bayou Data is still in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Miss Rosario by about 4 lengths. Match point remains in second, Cherokee Chase, nobody but you, Skybird. Last 75 meters, the curtain closer belongs to Miss Rosario. Second is match point, Cherokee Chase, nobody but you, Skybird. Show me the money.
Top choice, number 9, Miss Rosario crossing the wire first, run by Apprentice Sadam Pilapil, masisigondo 2 match point, tercero in Cherokee Chase, kumang 4, 4, nobody but